In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable PDF with Docusign, Google Docs, and MS Word, 5 minutes. We're going to move quickly and keep it simple. First, start by creating your form in either Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Use clear labels like name, address, or date, and leave enough white space where people will type. If you need signatures or checkboxes, add a blank line or a simple box so it's obvious where input belongs. Keep your layout clean and aligned. This helps Docusign recognize fields more accurately. Next, log into Docusign. From the home screen, click Start and upload your document. You can use a Word file, a Google Docs export, or a PDF. Docusign handles all of them. Once it's uploaded, Docusign scans the document and automatically identifies common form fields. It converts those into digital fillable fields so your recipients can type, check, or sign right in their browser. If something is missing or you want more control, use the left-hand menu to drag and drop custom tags. You'll see options like signature, date signed, text fields, checkboxes, and initials. Place each tag exactly where it belongs, and if you're sending to multiple people, assign each field to the correct recipient so nobody fills in the wrong section. Take a moment to align fields neatly. Clean placement makes the form easier to complete and reduces back and forth. When your fields look good, click Finish. Add your recipients and a short message so they know what they're signing, then send. Your recipients receive a secure link, fill out the fields, sign, and submit. You'll get a completed fillable PDF back with an audit trail included. If you prefer working directly from Microsoft Word, there's a streamlined approach. Build your document in Word just like before, using lines or boxes to indicate where input goes. Then open the Docusign tab in Word and select Request Signatures. Word will hand the document off to Docusign automatically. You'll land in the same tagging screen where you can add or adjust fields and send without extra uploads or exports. That's it. Create a clear form in Docs or Word, upload or use the Word integration, let Docusign detect fields, drag in anything custom, then finish and send. With these steps, you can turn any document into a professional, fillable PDF in minutes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you set up your next form.